Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel, Our India, Our Glory. Today I will teach you how to protect your browser from malwares using GeoSecurity. It is absolutely free if you are using Geo network. So let's start the video. Now go to Play Store. First open it and go to search box and here search GeoSecurity. Here is GeoSecurity and simply install it. Downloading. This is sync downloading. No, now uh, calm down and please take time to download it. Okay, now it is downloading. Okay, I can say you this is the best app to protect your malware, to protect your privacy from the malware apps and websites. Now I will see you. Now it is downloading 100%. So installing. Here is the link, GeoSecurity installing malware scan. Okay, then installing it. Okay, this is installing. This will take some time. Yes, this open now. Now how to open GeoSecurity? Now first it will show you this type of interface. Now just tick mark it and continue. Okay, firstly it will see setting up. Please stay calm, please wait for a moment while GeoSecurity is setting for you. Okay, now setting up. Please wait, it will take some time. Okay, this showing setting up. Yes, here you username. If you are using Geo internet, so you have to skip sign in this option, or you have to username and password. I am using Geo network, so I am skip signing. Here click redirecting. Here showing redirecting. Now it will open the app. Loading. Now setting up, loading. It will take some time, please view it. Okay, now it is loading. Yes, absolutely free app for Geo users, and it will secure your privacy. And absolutely free. Now it is loading. Net problem, please wait. This is loading. Please wait. Yes, this opens. Setting up. Okay, this it will open. And now first your work is to go to web protection, this link. Then web protection setup is required. Here is seeing setup is required. Now open it. Now turn on. Now go to your accessibility, and here is GeoSecurity service off. Click on it. Okay, here click OK. Now go back to GeoSecurity. Here is open. Okay, bookmark it. Now malware, this is scanning. Now go to this link, protecting your browser. Yes, this is open. And link guard, here click on it. Now open it. Just lift the button. Link guard, click here. No, this is not fair. Link guard, here on it. Now always, this is okay, opened. Now go to here. Here is 100%. Your privacy is secure. Now cross market, cross market, cross market, cross market. Now when you are in need to scan the malware, now go to anti malware. Here scan now. This is scanning. Here this is showing that it's scanning geo security here. Okay, scanning. This will take some time. Please wait for a moment. Okay, this is scanning your privacy and all that you have. It will scan everything. Please be calm. Now stop the scan. Okay, I am redirecting to this page. Scanning. Here it's showing that 100%. This is 100% anti-theft. Okay, this is powered by Norton LifeLock. Yes, this is how you can download GeoSecurity here. GeoSecurity, I am going to here GeoSecurity app. Please like, share, and comment our video, and stay connected us. Best wishes for you from our India, our glory. Thank you for watching.